Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic I know a lot of you are curious about: how to manage your weight and appetite without relying on medications. Now, I know there are medications out there like Ozempic that people are talking about, but let's be honest, anytime you're introducing a medication into your body, you have to ask yourself about potential side effects. We're going to explore the power of natural foods that can help you feel full and satisfied, all while giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. We're going to break down the science behind why these foods are so effective, and I'll give you some practical tips on how to incorporate them into your diet. Remember, sustainable weight management is about making healthy choices that you can stick with long term. We're focusing on healthy habits, not quick fixes. Let's kick things off with a fan favorite, the avocado. Now, you might have heard that avocados are high in fat, and while that's true, it's the good kind of fat, monounsaturated fat. This type of fat not only helps you feel full and satisfied after a meal, but also supports heart health. Plus, avocados are packed with fiber, which slows down digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Think of fiber like a sponge in your stomach, absorbing water and expanding to keep those hunger pangs at bay. So how can you incorporate more avocado into your diet? Simple. Add some slices to your morning toast, whip up some guacamole as a dip, or toss diced avocado into your salads for a creamy, satisfying boost. Next up, we have chia seeds. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are like magic when it comes to feeling full. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber absorbs water in your digestive system, forming a gel-like substance that slows down digestion and promotes that feeling of fullness. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool, keeping things moving smoothly through your digestive tract. Now here's a fun fact about chia seeds. They can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water. That means when you eat chia seeds, they expand in your stomach, further contributing to that satisfying feeling of fullness. Let's move on to another superstar in the world of appetite control, Greek yogurt. What sets Greek yogurt apart is its high protein content. Protein is a powerful nutrient when it comes to satiety. It takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and helping to stabilize your blood sugar levels. This means you'll experience fewer cravings and energy crashes throughout the day. Not only is Greek yogurt packed with protein, but it's also a good source of calcium, probiotics, and other essential nutrients. Probiotics are especially beneficial for gut health, which plays a crucial role in digestion and overall well-being. Almonds are like nature's perfect snack. They're convenient, portable, and packed with nutrients that promote fullness. One of the key reasons almonds are so effective at curbing hunger is their combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. As we've discussed, both protein and fiber contribute to a feeling of fullness, and the healthy fats in almonds further enhance this effect. But the benefits of almonds don't stop there. They're also a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, and magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in over 300 bodily processes, including muscle and nerve function. Let's talk about eggs. A breakfast staple that deserves a spot on your plate if you're looking to feel full and energized throughout the morning. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for kicking off your day with a hearty dose of this satiating nutrient. But it's not just the protein content that makes eggs so filling. They're also rich in choline, an essential nutrient that plays a role in brain function, metabolism, and fat transport in the body. Lentils. These little legumes are a nutritional powerhouse and a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight and stay satisfied. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils provides a whopping 18 grams of protein and 16 grams of fiber. This powerful combination helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes and cravings that can sabotage your weight management efforts. Plus, lentils are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Let's talk about quinoa, an ancient grain that has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but cannot produce on their own. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to increase their plant-based protein intake. But quinoa's benefits don't stop there. It's also a great source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which, as we've discussed, contributes to that feeling of fullness and promotes digestive health. Salmon is well known for its numerous health benefits, including its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats play a crucial role in brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. But did you know that salmon is also a fantastic protein source that can help you feel full and satisfied? The combination of protein and healthy fats in salmon makes it an incredibly satiating food. Protein, as we've discussed, takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, and the healthy fats in salmon further slow down digestion, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and helping to regulate your appetite. Now, who doesn't love a little chocolate now and then? Well, I've got good news for all you chocolate lovers out there. Dark chocolate, in moderation, can be part of a healthy diet and may even help curb cravings and promote feelings of fullness. The key here is to choose dark chocolate with a high cacao content. Aim for at least 70% cacao or higher. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonols, which are antioxidants that may offer various health benefits. Some studies suggest that the flavonols in dark chocolate can help regulate appetite hormones, making you feel more satisfied and less likely to overeat. Let's talk about broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable that's often praised for its nutritional value. Broccoli is low in calories but high in fiber, making it a great addition to any meal to help you feel full and satisfied. 1 cup of chopped broccoli contains about 5 grams of fiber, which is about 20% of your daily recommended intake. But it's not just the fiber content that makes broccoli a winner in the fullness department. It's also a good source of protein, with about 3 grams of protein per cup. So there you have it, 10 incredible foods that can help you feel full and satisfied, all while providing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Remember, making sustainable changes to your diet is a journey, not a race. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these foods into your daily routine and see how you feel. You can gradually add more of these foods over time as you become more comfortable with your new eating habits. Incorporate these foods into your daily diet to feel full and satisfied. No injections needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.